So we found some chairs and we put our stuff down on them, and we're gonna walk around and hopefully get on some water slides.
Yes.
So we are currently in the parking garage at Disney Springs. So after Volcano Bay, we went back to the hotel, we got cleaned up, we went to dinner, and now we're here. So now we're
I love Disney Springs. It's so much fun. We call it Downtown Disney still because that's what it used to be called, but now it's Disney Springs.
You're talking so fast. But
Downtown Disney sounds way better, y'all.
But we're just gonna do some shopping, walk around, and
Get some Ghirardelli ice cream. Best ice cream ever. So we've been shopping for a little while now here at Disney Springs. I went to Lululemon and got a pair of shorts, and then we both went to Ron John and we got some stuff there. And then we just got out of the Disney store and got some more clothes too. So, and we signed into this Ghirardelli like virtual line waiting thing. So now we're just waiting for that to for it to be our time, and then we're gonna go and get some ice cream. So our pass just turned green, so now we're heading over to Ghirardelli.
so we finally got our Ghirardelli ice cream.
And these things are huge.
They're big, but
Gigantic. I don't even think we'll be able to eat this all.
So we just went to Starbucks and of course got Starbucks.
Woo!
Okay, so we're back at our hotel after breakfast and kind of just driving around Florida. I'm starting to pack my suitcases just because I think we leave at like 2 o'clock tomorrow. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. Who knows? But when we were coming here, I had everything like a big suitcase, but the airline we are flying with only allows 40 pounds and not 50. Well, and usually when we fly for airlines, we're used to 50 pounds for our suitcase. So when we were at home, I had to stick most of everything in my big suitcase into like a smaller suitcase, which was kind of like my carry-on suitcase. And I'm not cramming stuff in this suitcase, so we don't have to pay like $30 extra. So this suitcase is pretty much crammed. So pretty much in here I have like souvenir clothes. And then I even have like some of like my park stuff, like the things I wore to the park. And like my Harry Potter stuff that I got. And then in here I have like all of my shoes and like my hair like blow dryer and straightener. So there's a lot of cramming in the suitcase going to be going on.
Okay guys, so I've been packing my stuff. I haven't really vlogged it. Oh wow, I look like a mess. It's whatever. I haven't really vlogged it, but I have been. And so we basically, this is our first time ever, we actually brought like a carry-on suitcase. And I brought a lot of clothes. No, not clothes, I guess it's more like shoes.
And Gabrielle over there is trying to stuff it all in there.
I think the suitcase is about 50 pounds, but the goal is to make my big suitcase down there 40, and this one between 40 and 100 pounds.
Because they don't weigh like the carry-on suitcase, but they weigh like the actual under the plane one.
This thing's also gigantic, but we have first class, so
we have first class.
We'll just
so
cram
we
it under
just
the
stuff
seat.
it under the seat.
Perfect.
Okay, so for dinner we came to the Cheesecake Factory.
So we went to dinner at the Cheesecake Factory, and now we're going to be mini golfing.
So we decided to do an escape room. So we came to like this, like the bureau one, and like
So when we pulled in, we couldn't find it.
and
I was
it's
like, we literally
on the website. It says like it's top secret because like the bureau, like the FBI.
But like we
So, like-
literally, so it was like, well, there's like the travel bureau.
Yeah,
But like we ended up like driving around the building like 5,000 times now, like I think like once.
yeah, and then we had to go on
found it, and
yeah.
then we walked in, and I'm like, is this even an escape room?
And we walk in, and it's like an office, and then my dad finds like this call button. You press it,
Yeah.
and then like you say like one or
Okay,
whatever.
But like I
And
was
then-
honestly, I was very.
She was so
we don't-
scared.
We don't want to go into detail of any of anything.
Oh,
We don't
yeah.
want to come and do it.
Yeah.